Hi everyone, this is my YouTube and please support me.
What's your YouTube channel? So that's your YouTube channel, Matthew's. What's again?
Matthew Plays Games.
Okay. So again, yes. See,
Come on. Okay guys.
actually right now, my boys are. I'm Matthew Drake's father. Then you have up there. This is I made him a YouTube for his help because he requested with my permission, with our permission as parent. So with our guidance, so you don't have to worry that he will not be putting up any particular videos that doesn't